Alexandra from the Hedgehog Hollow here with the scrapbook.com 2018 gift guide, and here I have the Best Craft Organizer Ink Pad Traveller. So this here comes flat packed, so there is some assembly required. You need a couple of hex keys and spanners, but it goes together pretty simply, and you can see it has a nice spinning base. It's double-sided. You can fit all sorts of different ink pads in here, and I have my scrapbook.com hybrid ink pads in here, and there's 24 on each side, so you can fit 48 pads in your organizer. You can also put things in these slots at the top. So here I have my distress refresher, I have fine embossing powder, I also have a couple of ink pads in the other side as well. I have sprays in here, Nuvo drops, liquid watercolors. I can put blending sponges, my scrapbook.com daubers fit in here too, alcohol inks, refills, all sorts of things will fit in the top of this organizer, and it's great for on the go. I can add this handle in the top here if I wanted to carry it, and then I have this option of adding these here in the front that would then close off my front pieces so that my ink pads wouldn't fall out, and these are then nice and secure in there as well. I can fit my distress inks in here, archival inks, hero arts, my Wendy Vecchi inks, a good variety of inks in here as well. I also wanted to remind you about the scrapbook.com holiday sales that start pre-Black Friday. They go through the Cyber Weekend, we have the Days of Christmas coming up, all sorts of things. You'll be wanting to check out scrapbook.com every single day for daily deals, steals, and all sorts of fun coming your way. So don't forget to check that out again, and we'll see you again very soon. Happy stamping. Bye.